Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a mini USB microphone CSUM06 with us, which is going to be useful for budding creators as well as for working professionals. And in this video, we will be doing the unboxing and will tell you how this mic performs. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the picture of the mic and the model name CSUM06 written on the top. And here we have some key features such as compact design with built-in stand, cardioid pickup pattern, it's plug and play and comes with a mute switch. And here we have the specification of the mic. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first we get this 5% discount coupon which you can use on JBL Commercial website. And then we have the user guide, and in this we have the detailed info about the mic controls and how to use this mic. And then we have the mic itself. And guys, the first thing I noticed that the build quality of the mic is very good and also how compact it is. We will look at the microphone in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get this Type-C cable to connect this microphone to your device. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the microphone closely. JBL Commercial CSUM06 is a mini USB microphone. In terms of the design and build quality, we find the build quality very good. We really like this mini compact design, and also the built-in stand feels sturdy as well. It comes with the foam material at the bottom which will keep the mic fixed at one place. In short, the built-in stand is robust and durable. Now looking at the main mic design, it comes in a cardioid design and looks very good. You can also adjust the mic direction, which is again an advantage. Now talking about the overview more, on the top of the mic we have an LED light which turns on when the mic is connected. And at the back we have this mute button, and when the mic is on mute, you get this red LED light. And below the mute button, we have the Type-C USB port. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, I find the compact design very good, which makes it easy to carry around this mic with you in your bag. And also, the build quality is definitely very good, which is as expected from the JBL Commercial products. Now in terms of the usage, you can simply plug and play this mic to your PC or Mac. And guys, you can also use it with your smartphone with an adapter. So it's a simple plug and play microphone and you don't need any additional software or drivers to connect this mic to your device. Now let's discuss the main thing, which is the sound quality. So guys, I've been using this mic for video conferencing calls for few days. And believe it or not, I have recorded the voiceover of this video with this mic only. And now you can be the judge and let us know how you find the sound quality. According to us, we think that in this price segment, we're getting exceptionally well sound from this mic. We haven't done any editing or modified the sound output, and it is as it is from the mic. So overall, the JBL Commercial CSUM06 is a mini USB microphone. This mic is suitable for budding creators and also for video conferencing calls. Nowadays, most of us are working from home, and an external mic is a must-have computer accessory which you can use for video calls. And if you're a creator, then with this mic, you can have a good voiceovers in your videos without spending a lot. And as usual, if you like this microphone and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the JBL Commercial CSUM06 compact microphone. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this microphone in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.